I'm Ty with WTI, and these are my glass and bamboo food storage containers. The best thing about these glass food storage containers is their versatility and practicality. These containers have a 36-ounce capacity, which provides ample space for storing various meals, making them perfect for meal prepping or storing leftovers. You can safely store them in the refrigerator or freezer, and they can be used for reheating in the microwave and in the oven. The airtight seal helps to keep my food fresh for an extended period, and the absence of plastic in the lids is great because I don't have to worry about these containers melting or staining from the food. The glass is durable, it's easy to clean, and the bamboo lids adds a natural touch. So if you are in search of a reliable solution for meal prep and food storage, I highly recommend these glass containers. They're a step towards a healthier kitchen, but that's just my point of view.